Uh, Wait. Hello? Good afternoon, sir. Kanang mabati lang ko. Derek, mabati lang ang akong kwan. Hello, hello, hello. So, good afternoon, sir. I'll be starting na po sa report. So, once again, good afternoon, sir. I'll be having a brief discussion about our project entitled Systemized Operating Catalog for Materials and Equipment. Next, Derek. In this report, I'll be discussing five topics, namely description of the project, the problem statement, its objectives, the features and functionalities, and the significance of the project. Description. So, a systemized operating catalog for materials and equipment is all about providing real-time data and detailed information of the utilized materials and equipment in the operation. It helps assess its condition and workability to understand and to further make a decision on when it will be replaced, added, and removed. So, since we all know that defective equipment or materials brings danger to workers on site and also uncalculated unavailability of materials leads to a waste of operation time and an additional expense. So problem statement. So in most operations regarding construction, maintaining and checking the condition of equipment and materials used are sometimes overlooked, compromising the safety of workers on site as well as being an inconvenience on the operation of the project itself. This project aims to address these concerns in order to have a safer working environment and to efficiently make use of time make efficiently make use of the time period given as well as the resources used and supplied. So moving on to objectives, we have first to give data on the condition and supply of the equipment and materials. Second, to make an analysis based on the information gathered to decide on when to replace, add, and remove equipment or materials that are no longer needed or present in the operation. Third, to work in a safer environment considering the daily monitoring of the state of the equipment. And lastly, to make sure that everything is in good condition and is present before starting the operation. So as for features and functionalities, So the program functions as a systemized inventory that checks the availability and monitors the condition of the procured materials and the used equipment, either owned or rented. It shows the total number of specified materials and equipment, as well as removed unused equipment and an available supply of materials. And in addition, it has a feature of adding new materials, equipment, or supplies in the inventory. So, features and functionalities will be further explained in the demonstration part. And lastly, significance of the project. This project will bring changes in the safety of the working environment and convenience in handling the equipment and materials used to maximize the operation of the construction with minimal costs and risk. And furthermore, it's an efficient tool to record the availability of supplies on hand. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you for listening. Excuse me, sir, Derek. Ganun. Wala na mute ang mic, Derek. Wala, wako ka.
I can hear
Bati
you.
lagi. Ano? I can't hear you rather.
That's okay. Just continue with the demo. Okay, so let's start with the Q&A. So I'll be just asking the both of you. Kay, I think you're the group where the other one dropped, no? So for Mary Ann, so after this semester, would you use this project at home or in your community? Mary
Okay.
Ann?
Oh, yes, sir. For that question, sir, my answer would be yes, sir. I would likely to use it, sir. Yeah. Actually it's the program is since like it's like an inventory for the equipment, tools, or for supplies. It can also be used, sir, since if at home, since we don't have any like many equipments or tools, so it can be replaced and like add for groceries or for like for things that is like needed at home. So yes, sir, that would be my answer.
Okay, for Derek, so after this semester, would you recommend this project to anyone and why?
Excuse me, sir. Mabati ko, sir. Can you hear me,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
Oh, okay. Can you repeat the question, sir?
After this semester, would you recommend this project to anyone and why?
I can surely recommend it to someone in need, sir. Why? Because it can serve as a inventory for most occasions, and I forgot the question.
Would you
It's
recommend the project to anyone? Would you recommend the
the
project to
project.
anyone?
I Yes, I can recommend it because this is the program is done the program is built with using Python dictionary. As long as you are knowledgeable a bit about
Okay.
Python dictionary, you are able to create a program like this. Excuse me, sir. Should I show the code, sir?
It's okay. Just submit it later together with your Python presentation file.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
let me continue with Mary Ann. So if you are going to sell this project, what is your price point and why?
If I were to sell this project poster, I think the price would range from 200 pesos and above if need necessary, or for, oh yes, if there's additional improvement or adjustments made. So it's, yeah, it's for 200 pesos, not below.
Okay, for Derek, so how well did you perform your task as part of the group?
Uh, what? Pardon, sir.
How well did you perform your tasks as part of the group?
You mean, sir, like contribution, sir? So if it's contribution, sir, I did mostly the programming, sir, the coding for the program.
So for Mary Ann, so what is your greatest contribution to this project?
Um, for my greatest contribution for this project, sir, would be the project proposal manuscript po, sir. And yes, that would be my greatest contribution.
Hmm.
And
And
yes.
how smoothly man Mary Ann Gapon, how smoothly were the tasks delegated or distributed to the both of you?
Pardon po, sir.
How smooth were the tasks distributed to the both of you
Oh,
for this
for
project?
the task, for the task po, sir. Derek greatly contributed po for the coding and for the project manuscript and for the presentation of the PowerPoint and for a little bit of reporting. I was the ones po, sir. Para naman like mabalance po yung ginagawa po. Like, yes.
Okay, and for the last question, so si Derek, so if your group is unable to pass this subject, what things are you going to change or improve next semester?
Uh, could you repeat the question one more time, sir?
If your group is unable to pass this subject, what things are you going to improve next semester?
Is it specifically the group project, sir?
Yes, yes, for the project. So theoretically lang if you are unable to pass the subject or project.
So, in the case if this group project fails, I think I would like to improve the um, let's say the creativity of the program, like adding an eye-appealing window, like an inventory window. When I open the Python, it will show a one as a more let's say eye-catching and easier to do with like, like this.
So okay no, so that's fine. So anyway, so your project is more than enough, no? So I will no longer ask you any revision. So just submit the Python file and your presentation in the VSUEE. So one representative only. And also, please study for your final exam ha, this upcoming 15 to 17. So I hope you are ready when you take the exam. So just choose any day. So it's open raman. If you no longer have questions, so thank you so much for your time and your effort for this subject.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sige. Thank you.